Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Today I'm doing another reaction video, but this time Emily's playing the Star Wars Puppet R2-D2. So it was in 2015 from Hasbro Gaming. So Hasbro has done so much with puppets. So let's see how this one goes.
Hey guys,
Okay.
what's up YouTube? It's me,
What's up?
Mann, and welcome back to my channel and to another toy review video for January 20th, 2024. So, in this review video, we'll be doing this the 2015 Hasbro Gaming Star Wars Puppet R2-D2, but it got back from 2016. When I was 13 years old, that was my very first Puppet when I got back in December of 2016. So, let's get on with the review. So, when you turn that on,
oh, it makes a R2-D2 sound.
I got 100. So I'm just demonstrating for you.
She's gonna get the highest score of 100.
He screams when you lose. That's my favorite feature about R2-D2. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next review.
Yes, thank you so much, Mann, again for letting me review this video at your house. So, but this one was actually a really good one, and I'll see you guys next time.